Wow. Wow. This car hasn't moved in years.
Every bolt, every panel is completely stuck, but the potential is here.
I want to purchase this car.
Voiceover. I'm buying this 1992 Mercedes W4 for $1,000.
Now we'll bring it inside and start rebuilding everything from scratch.
We remove all dirt before touching the car.
The engine of this 1992 Mercedes is completely seized. Every component will be rebuilt from scratch. Disassembling the engine piece by piece, nothing skipped.
Cleaning and inspecting every part before rebuild.
Every part must be spotless before reassembly. Rebuilding the 1992 Mercedes engine from zero, step by step.
Every engine part goes back precisely into place. All systems rebuilt for full functioning.
Engine rotates smoothly, ready to install in the black Mercedes.
Engine reinstalled, fully rebuilt from zero.
Engine reinstalled, fully rebuilt from zero on this completely abandoned Mercedes.
Removing the front left tire, completely worn out and broken.
Front right tire dismantled, ready for full cleaning. All 4 tires fully removed, ready for cleaning and reinstallation. Front left tire securely reinstalled.
Front right tire reinstalled, perfectly aligned.
Rear left tire reinstalled quill. Car fully Cabra outside. Dashboard stripped. All components checked for rebuild.
Wiring inspected carefully, ready for reinstallation.
Pedals and footwell prepped, every part 0 to hero. Front seats dismantled and cleaned thoroughly.
Rear interior cleaned, ready for reassembly.
Dashboard reinstalled, all electronics prepped.
Pedals and steering refitted precisely.
Interior coming together. 0 to hero rebuild continues.
Wiring fully restored. No loose connections remain.
Front left door installed. Car still fully Cabra outside.
Front right door installed. Block condition maintained.
Rear left door installed the sole. Fully aligned yet still abandoned look.
Headlights still broken, car remains fully Cabra outside.
Front left headlight installed. Car still fully Cabra outside.
Front right headlight installed. Block condition maintained.
Car prepped for full black paint. 0 to hero transformation starts.
Black paint applied. Car transforming from junkyard Cabra to brand new.
Tires and rims spotless, ready to shine.
Car exterior 4 fully restored. 0 to hero complete.
Mercedes W124 E320 1992 fully restored. 0 to hero complete and ready to drive.
Mercedes W124 E320 1992, fully restored, engine running, horn working, ready to drive.
Mercedes W124 E320 1992, lights tested on and off, fully functional and shining.